In this episode, we are going to give you a tour of a standard balcony cabin on the Carnival Celebration. We think you're going to love it, and all of that is coming up. So we are going to be showing you cabin 16281. This is a standard balcony cabin on the Carnival Celebration. This is a category 8G, and I do want to say if you want help booking this cabin or any cabin for that matter, I would be happy to help. You can send me an email to thetravelscouts@gmail.com. Now let's go check out this cabin. All right, come on in. So we are going to start off first with the sitting area. Now this couch here, it does convert into a bed, so that is an option if you have more than 2 people sleeping in the cabin. And then I do want to point out, I love the reading lights that Carnival has added on the Excel class ships. Those are fabulous. Okay, let's move on over. Then we have your king size bed. Now again, this does split to two twin size beds if you want to do that configuration. So we do have the reading lights here, and we've got some nice little shelves there to put a book or whatever on. And then you also have a USB outlet right there as well. Now let's move on over. I want to show you the balcony area. Nice big TV here. Let's go out and show you the balcony. All right. Again, this is going to be your standard balcony size on the Carnival Celebration, so not super huge, but it's plenty spacious for a couple people to come out here and relax. Up above us there is overhead coverage, so you're not going to be getting wet or anything like that when it's raining. And you have privacy as well, which is always great. Alright, now let's go back inside, and I'll show you some of the storage areas in the cabin. So this is something that Carnival has added, and I absolutely love this, but it's a nice little bench, but it also converts and has some storage area. This can also be a tray. You can sit your coffee on there or whatever. Absolutely love that. So I also want to point out this really nice vanity area here. Now we just had the door open, so it kind of steamed everything up, but this light is amazing and gives you a whole lot of extra light when you're putting on your makeup and stuff like that. And then I also want to point out, this is such a nice upgrade for Carnival. 3 outlets and 4 USB storage or USB connectors. That's fabulous. Plenty of drawer space. Okay, so we have one little small drawer, and then a couple deep drawers. You've got your hair dryer in here, so you don't need to bring one from home. Okay, then we have a nice refrigerator, as you can see there. And then a couple shelves to put whatever you want on. Now let me show you the closet storage area because it is really nice. Okay, our first storage, we got plenty of hangers, we got some bars to hang things on, and also this is really cool, and Carnival has just added this on their last couple ships. They have these shelves that lower down, so if you need more shelf space, you can add those there.
I am learning new stuff from this lady all the time. I have been on these ships, but I did not even know that shelf thing was there. I just thought there was either a shelf or not a shelf. Learning stuff new. Yeah. I'm gonna like this episode.
Now, speaking of liking this episode, I like this full-length mirror right here because, you know, we gotta see what we look like when we're getting ready for those formal nights, so that's great. And then, let me show you the other shelf here, closet area. Alright, this is kind of the same, except it does have your safe in there, and it has some fabulous pull-out drawers, which I absolutely love. You can put your shoes in there, or just whatever. It just makes it so easy to get to things. Alright, now let's check out the bathroom. Also, I want to point out these little things right here. These are great to hold your lanyard on, or, you know, whatever you want to just kind of hang up your towels or anything like that. So the bathroom's a little small, so I'm going to let Jason just go ahead and go on in the bathroom and let him show it to you. We absolutely love our glass doors on the shower. That's one of the great improvements. And as you can see, it is small, but you know what? It does the trick for what you need for a bathroom. So that is our tour of a balcony cabin on the Carnival Celebration. We're gonna have a ton more videos coming out on the Celebration. So if you're interested in this cruise ship or any other cruise ship, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it when any episodes come out. Thanks so much for watching. We hope to see you on the sea soon. God bless.